and then patio and opus. So dito entertaining, lahat ng made to order dito, fittings.
Ganda ng space.
Thank you.
It's very welcoming.
Alam mo, hindi ako kumuha ng interior designer, ako lang to.
Oh, galing na.
Wala.
Does it look like your, because I haven't been to your atelier. I haven't been to
Iloilo.
actually.
Parang it looks like this. Yeah. Parang as much as I want, nung una, the concept of this, I wanted industrial talaga. Pero I'm still, parang sabi ko along the way, hindi pa rin talaga nangyayari yung super industrial na gusto ko ng hardware, gusto ko ng raw. Hindi parang nadadagdag na, parang I need to put carpets like this.
Hindi ka talaga,
Hindi talaga super minimal. Hindi talaga pwede. Kaya ang dami ko ding furnitures na nabibili na hindi na siya nagamit dito kasi hindi na bagay. So sabi ko, sige, later on. Kaya everything here